Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Pax Capitals, a trading and investment platform that's been getting a lot of attention lately. Whether you've come across their website or you've seen their copy trading offers or heard people talk about their so-called high return investment opportunities, this review will tell you everything you need to know, the good, the bad, and the real story behind the platform. So let's get started. Pax Capitals presents itself as a global online investment and trading platform, allowing users to trade and invest in multiple markets from forex and commodities to indices, cryptocurrencies, and stocks. The company positions itself as a modern, technology-driven financial service provider, aiming to make professional-level trading accessible to everyday investors through automation and copy trading. According to their branding and marketing material, Pax Capitals focuses heavily on copy trading, which allows beginners or less experienced investors to automatically replicate the trades of more successful traders on the platform. Now let us talk about the main features. Copy trading system. This is the platform's centerpiece. Copy trading allows users to choose professional traders known as signal providers and automatically replicate their trades. Essentially, whenever a top trader opens, modifies or closes a position, the same happens in your account in proportion to your investment size. It's designed to make trading effortless for beginners who may not have time to study the markets. Multi-asset trading. Pax Capitals advertises access to multiple financial markets, including forex pairs, major global stocks, commodities like gold and oil, indices, and digital currencies. This kind of asset diversity can be appealing for traders who want to build a varied portfolio within one platform. Leverage and advanced tools. The platform reportedly offers high leverage, in some cases up to 1:500. While leverage can amplify gains, it also can magnify losses dramatically. That's why it's generally recommended only for experienced traders who understand risk management. Pax Capitals also claims to provide analytical tools such as indicators, charts, and market trends to help traders make informed decisions. Account verification and security. Users must go through a full KYC process before being allowed to deposit or withdraw funds. This typically involves uploading identification, address documents, and sometimes a credit or debit card image with sensitive information masked. Deposit and withdrawal process. Depositing funds appears straightforward, but withdrawals have been one of the most controversial aspects of the platform. Multiple users have reported delays, lack of responses from support, or in some cases, complete inability to withdraw their balances. Customer support and platform accessibility. Pax Capitals claims to offer 24/7 customer support via chats and email. And also, they use advanced trading tools, which can help you trade anytime, anywhere, which is with their versatile platform designed for ultimate flexibility. They have an app that you can use on your phone, in the office, on the move, to access global markets 24/7. Now let us talk about the pricing. The pricing is not clearly stated on the website, but it is believed that the minimum deposit they advertise is $500, which grants access to their basic copy trading features. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons of using the Pax Capitals platform. First, the pros. There's easy entry for beginners. The copy trading feature allows people with little experience to start participating in the markets. Multiple market access. Having forex, commodities, crypto, and stocks in one place can be convenient. The modern interface, which is the website and the dashboard, with also the mobile app, makes it really modern. And the low starting requirement of $500 is a starting point, is relatively accessible for small investors. How about the cons? Unclear fees. The lack of transparency about the spreads, commissions, and withdrawal fees make it hard to estimate the real trading costs. And we can't seem to find any evidence of Pax Capitals being regulated by any major financial authority on the website. There's also something about the fees, that every investor is to pay a 15% withdrawal fee to complete withdrawal process, and each trader gets a set percentage of the profit they make. So the withdrawal fees might be on the high side. Now, having considered all of this, is Pax Capitals the best in 2025? Well, here's my take. Pax Capitals may look like an opportunity to grow your investment passively, but it carries far too much uncertainty to be considered safe or the best in 2025. But if you do decide to try it, treat it as an experiment. Use only what you can afford to lose and test withdrawals early before committing larger amounts. That's it on the review of Pax Capitals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore eToro, Zulu Trade, and Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.